must be able to retrieve that. There is somewhere inside you the pattern is stored, and you are using that pattern to come to the conclusion. Now there is information processing between brain and the mind, and there is a mapping between the sensory memory maps with the conscious mind, temporary memory conscious mapped with the subconscious mind, and permanent or long memory maps with the unconscious mind. So another thing is recursive testing, analysis and updation. So once you are able to store the neural pattern, another thing is recursive testing, updation, and it's used as and when needed. So this is depicted over here as the recursive testing, analysis and updation, as you can see over here. So here is the thing that choose a small set of information. It is the ideal process of how to check that whether your study pattern is effective or not. So for that, choose a small set of information. Let's say choose a particular paragraph of a particular subject. Then first thing is choose a small set of information. Then second step is process it systematically. Then retrieve it effectively. Then retrieve it. If you are unable to retrieve, try to repeat it, test yourself, and keep on repeating the process until you are able to retrieve what you learned. So here is the turning point, that it is the retrieval process which is central to good performance in exams. So focus on the retrieval. You studied one page or one book or 1,000 books, doesn't matter. If you are unable to recall those pages or those set of information, it's of no use. So the central concept here is of retrieval effect. So the retrieval effect is the very basis that differentiates between a successful and unsuccessful student. So those students who are successful, it is because of the complex mind-brain algorithms that you use, the better coordination of their three minds and the brain, and their retention of information which they learned in the past. So retaining information from the past is the crucial factor which differentiates between a successful and unsuccessful student. So if you want to optimize your result, if you want to perform better in life, if you want to improve your results, then apart from neural pattern working, apart from the subject patterns, information patterns, just develop your own mind-brain system patterns, and which is possible through the algorithm which I have codenamed as AVA. So this is how things are done.